The argument surrounded the question, how much time is enough for a woman to learn she is pregnant and to be able to make a meaningful decision about keeping or terminating a pregnancy?
Nothing in the short period of time since January, since the court's ruling, justifies a second bite at the apple here. It's clear here that a majority of the court held that the right to privacy reaches personal medical decisions and that a 6-week ban on abortion is an unreasonable invasion of that right.
Abortion rights up in the air as the South Carolina Supreme Court hears arguments over a law that bans abortion when a heartbeat is detected. A similar law banning abortions at 6 weeks was deemed unconstitutional earlier this year. Lawyers for the state argued they have made the appropriate changes to the bill.
One is the repeal of the informed choice finding. 2, we have a changed definition of what is a clinically diagnosable pregnancy. And 3, we have a changed definition of contraceptive.
South Carolina Assistant Deputy Solicitor General Thomas Heydrich says there is evidence that shows 6 weeks does not limit a woman's right to make a meaningful decision about her pregnancy, citing data by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
We know that up to 45% of women nationwide already today do obtain an abortion at or before 6 weeks gestational age pregnancy. So assuming for the sake of argument that cardiac activity could be detected at that point.
Attorneys for Planned Parenthood challenged that notion, adding that there are several other factors to consider.
And you have to consult with spiritual advisors, family members, physicians, and not to mention overcoming being able to pay for an abortion, to be able to take time off of work.
The state's policy also encourages early pregnancy testing, which was argued to be impractical.
People are not sitting around taking a pregnancy test every day. They have jobs, they have children, they have other determinations. What the state is attempting to do here is shift the burden from it to not violate South Carolinians' right to privacy to the women of South Carolina.
For now, abortion remains legal through 22 weeks until the Supreme Court makes a final decision. Jessie Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.